Undoubtedly, one of the best decisions we ever made was to have floorboards put down on our house. When we bought our house about 4 years ago, we had horrible tiles on the floor, which were very boring, and some very bold colours on the walls. My wife and I decided that we wanted to put some floorboards down, and it was actually difficult finding a company that would commit to sticking onto the tiles directly. So we didn't want the mess and the hassle of ripping up the tiles. So fortunately, we found a company that was able to do that. Our tiles passed what was called a stick test, I think, and we then committed to getting our floorboards put down. It's one of the best decisions we ever made because it's transformed what was a 20-year-old house with some pretty ordinary tiles into a lovely home. We're absolutely wrapped. One of the things we were really wrapped with when we came home for the very first time was looking at the skillful craftsmanship of Hank's work. Hank installed this spotted gum floor for us, and we were absolutely amazed at how well he was able to align the floorboards with the beautiful curved island bench that we have here. And we were absolutely over the moon with what he was able to provide. One of the great things about dealing with Lifewood was from start to finish we had professional service, and it's nothing better than actually having someone who cares and understands what you wanted. We made a couple of changes along the way. Lifewood was very amenable and agreeable and helpful. We're absolutely delighted. My wife and I love our new floors.